In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Notion workspace, and we'll do it in just 5 minutes. Whether you're wanting to back up your data, move to a different platform, or just have a copy of everything stored safely, it's a good idea to know how to export your workspace. Let's jump in. First, you'll want to open your Notion account, and for convenience, I recommend using a web browser for this process. Once you've logged into your account, take a moment to familiarize yourself again with Notion's interface, especially if you don't log in frequently. Always make sure you've got a stable internet connection, as we wouldn't want to face any interruptions during the export process. After logging in, the next step is to choose the workspace you wish to export. This is especially relevant if you use Notion for different projects or with different teams. Your workspace might contain a plethora of notes, documents, and databases, so selecting the correct one is crucial to ensure you get the data you actually need. Be sure that you've got everything organized as you want it in the workspace. Now, it's time to click on Settings, which you can find in the sidebar or possibly under a drop-down menu, depending on your specific layout. This will bring you to the core controls and configurations for your workspace. Settings hold the key to many features and customizations. And today, our target is hidden right here, waiting to be discovered. Next, navigate over to the General page. This section consolidates all the general configuration options for your workspace environment. By heading here, you'll be closer to accessing the tools necessary for exporting your workspace. You'll want to scroll down until you reach the Export section. Notion is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, so you'll recognize this area by its clearly labeled options. Here you'll see the option to export all workspace content. Selecting this will trigger the export function. This step is like hitting the jackpot, because once completed, your entire workspace will start compiling into a downloadable format. Be patient, as Notion processes the request. Depending on the size of your workspace, this might take a little while, so don't rush it. After it completes, you'll receive a download link for your workspace. Save this file to a safe location on your computer or an external storage device to keep your data secure. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your Notion workspace. Thanks for following along, and hopefully, you feel more confident managing your Notion data. For any further guidance or questions about Notion, feel free to browse through other tutorials or reach out to the community for support. Happy organizing!